Welcome to my channel. Today's story is for anyone who feels tired, lost, or broken inside. Because sometimes life doesn't break us to destroy us, it breaks us to rebuild us. There once lived a 25-year-old man named Arav. Arav worked in a small shop under a boss who was never satisfied. No matter how hard he worked, appreciation never came, only criticism. Arav had lost his parents early in life. He lived alone in a small rented room, surviving day by day. His life followed a simple routine: work, return home, cook simple food, eat in silence, sleep. He had stopped dreaming. Life had already crushed them. One night, Arav cooked 3 rotis and some lentils. As he went to wash his hands and returned, 1 roti was missing. He ignored it. The next night, the same thing happened. On the 3rd night, Arav waited. Suddenly, a thin crow entered through the window and picked up the roti. Angry and hungry, Arav shouted, "Why are you stealing from me? I barely have enough to survive." The crow looked at him calmly and spoke, "Because you are broken." When a person is broken, the crow said, life sends lessons in unexpected forms. I am one of them. The next morning, Arav began a journey, not to escape life, but to understand it. He met an old woman waiting for her son, a man digging endlessly for treasure, and a young girl afraid to cross a broken bridge. Each carried pain. Each carried a question. Finally, Arav reached the old monk. The monk said, "I will answer 3 questions only." Arav had 4, including his own. After a long silence, he said softly, "Please answer theirs. Mine can wait." The monk said, "To the woman, your son will return the day you stop waiting in sadness and start living in peace. To the man, you will find treasure the moment you stop digging and look at where you stand. To the girl, fear disappears when you walk with it, not when you wait for it to leave." Then the monk looked at Arav. "You were broken because you were holding on to fear, pain, and doubt. Life breaks us only to remove what no longer serves us. Pain is preparation. Letting go is growth. And strength is born from acceptance." Arav returned to the same life, but he was no longer the same person. Life didn't become easy, but he became stronger. If you feel broken today, remember this: life never breaks you to end your story. It breaks you to begin a new one. Because what life teaches when you're broken often becomes the reason you shine later.